What's up, moving around Atlanta? It's your boy, your premier listing agent for Atlanta and around Atlanta, inside and outside of the perimeter, Tristan Jones. Hey, I'm sorry, but I told you these things go fast. So the home that I'm showing you now is already under contract. But I figured I'll go ahead and let you see what a modern type home is looking like right here in the Atlanta area. I have plenty more of these to come. If you like what you see, please hit the like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that. Give me a call, you know the number. Text me, 916-272-0520. Hey, want to hold a sign like this in front of a house like that? Give me a call, 916-272-0520. Or you can shoot me a text. I can get you funded, I can get you approved, and I can get you across the closing table. You see I've got the inventory. Let's get to work.
The demons hide bold, a dance of shadows with the rising sun. Whispers in the dark, a battle to be won. My eyes wide open, heart starts to pound. In the time of darkness, fear makes a sound. When the sun descends and the shadows creep, whispers in the dark coming from the deep. Whispers in the dark, a challenge and a call. Break through the fear, let us stand tall. Through the darkest nights, we'll face every fear. Whispers in the dark are always near. I'd fold. A dance of shadows with the rising sun. Whispers in the dark, a battle to be won. My eyes wide open, heart starts to pound. In the time of darkness, fear makes a sound. When the sun descends and the shadows creep. Whispers in the dark, coming from the deep. Whispers in the dark, a challenge and a call. Break through the fear, let us stand tall. Through the darkest nights, we'll face every fear. Whispers in the dark are always here. My eyes wide open, heart starts to pound. In the time of darkness, fear makes a sound. When the sun descends and the shadows creep.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment down below and let me know what kind of home you would like to see previewed next.